The King of Violence is back. Mike Platinum Perry returns to the squared circle. He's defending his crown in Newark, New Jersey. This is BKFC. No gloves, no excuses, just pure, unfiltered combat. Main event, Mike Platinum Perry versus Jeremy Lil Heathen Stevens. Perry, 5-0 in bare knuckle, a wrecking ball with chaos in every punch. Stevens, a UFC legend turned KO machine. 3 straight wins inside BKFC. It's King of Violence versus Lil Heathen Savagery. Co-main, Frankie, the Answer, Edgar, the Jersey legend, former UFC champion, makes his bare-knuckle debut. Across from him, Jimmy Rivera, a proven warrior ready to ruin Edgar's homecoming. Experience meets firepower. Something's gotta give. Feature fight, Christine Ferreira, the reigning queen of BKFC. Relentless, ruthless, a champion through and through, facing Jessica Borga, featherweight champ, and the most dangerous puncher in women's bare knuckle. They collide for the inaugural Queen of Violence crown. Newark is about to witness war, blood, chaos, legacy on the line. Because on this night, it's not just about who wins, it's about who survives.